Hello, my name is Nancy Brem. I'm the owner of North Scottsdale Acupuncture. I'm an acupuncturist and a practitioner of Chinese herbal medicine. I've been in practice for over 8 years, and I'm doing this video to answer some of the frequently asked questions about the practice of acupuncture. What's special about North Scottsdale Acupuncture is that I really have tried to incorporate non-needle treatments for people who are afraid of needles. I use things like tuning forks, and I use microstimulation with probes instead of needles. So for people who are absolutely needle phobic, they still can get a pain treatment and have, once again, instantaneous results using the theory of acupuncture, but not necessarily using the needles. I have manual therapies that I do. I have myofascial release therapies that I do, cupping for lymphatic massage type treatment. There's electrical stimulation. I treat conditions ranging from migraine pain to a post-stroke recovery, arthritis, back pain, neck pain. Those are very common complaints. For women, there are so many women's issues that are amenable to acupuncture and herbal medicine. Painful periods, endometriosis is what I did my thesis on, and I treat that very effectively. I've had just phenomenal results from endometriosis patients. Another frequently asked question is whether or not acupuncture is safe. And I will tell you that it is absolutely safe when practiced by a qualified and appropriately trained acupuncturist. I have a master's degree in acupuncture. I also have an additional 2 years in herbal medicine. So this is the theory of Chinese medicine as a whole, including the herbal theory and the acupuncture theory. I have 1,200 hours of clinical experience from the training program itself, plus 8 years of private practice. I'm also NCCAOM certified. Is acupuncture effective? So the thing to remember is that acupuncture has been around for thousands of years. This is an ancient therapy. And if it weren't effective, it wouldn't have lasted that long. So that's some reassurance for you that, of course, there's something to it. I can tell you that in my clinic, I get outstanding results, and it's phenomenal. I mean, I see things, something like a miracle on a regular basis in my office. People come in with pain, and they walk out the door without pain.
I'm seeing Nancy for a shoulder injury, and just because of the timing of things, it was difficult to get in to see my orthopedic doctor. And by the time I was able to see my orthopedic doctor, I was in so much pain he couldn't even examine me without my coming off the table. I was in so much pain. So for other reasons, because I have other health issues that prevent me from taking pain meds, from anything from aspirin to anything serious, I can't take any of it. I was sort of left hanging in excruciating pain with absolutely no options. And thankfully, Nancy was able to get me in to see her pretty quickly, and within one treatment, I started to have relief from the pain. It was immediate. I single-handedly believe that acupuncture is the reason my shoulder has healed as quickly as it has, in addition to the pain relief. The time I went back to see my orthopedic doctor for the MRI results, his direct quote when he saw me was, "You're like a different person." I'm like, yeah, it's amazing what pain and pain relief will do. Because he's like, "I'm shocked that you've had that much success at getting pain relief." He's like, "Because you had no options." And I attribute that directly to North Scottsdale Acupuncture and Nancy and her expertise.
This is a clinic that has served this community for 8 years with great results and outstanding patient satisfaction. When you or someone you hear about is in pain, please consider referring them to North Scottsdale Acupuncture.